I always come away from these events with like a little bit of like inspiration to go tackle hard problems and do things. And so it's just so energizing to meet with all the fellows and see what everybody's doing. So it's been really awesome.
I come to the workshop because we have really amazing speakers as well. I'm always so amazed by how accomplished and amazing our speakers are, but how they're able to engage with the audience and have like a really fun conversation. Everyone truly here is really welcoming.
It's definitely also a very creative group and a lot of people with a lot of passion, and that often extends outside of kind of the lab and science.
You go to a lot of conferences, but oftentimes they're very subject matter specific, and while they can be energizing, they're nowhere near sort of the level of excitement or creativity that you get at these Hertz Summer Workshops.
Hertz builds a community of expertise that can cross-fertilize and motivate and excite the members of the community, and it's a lifelong thing.
You can talk with people that are in a lot of cross-disciplinary fields on a very high level. It gives you ideas that you might not have gotten in your own discipline.
Hertz gives you an opportunity to not only share your work, but sharpen your edge. To be a part of that and to even converse with people of that stature is a big privilege.